Leches, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make this delicious Tres Leches cake. So we're gonna start off by making our cake. So I'm just using a box cake mix here, and I'm just gonna use the instructions on the back of the box to make it. So as you guys can see here, I'm just emptying out the bag, and then I'm gonna follow all of the instructions that it says. And if you guys haven't already, please go ahead and click that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so that you never miss a video. And just an FYI, all of the measurements and ingredients will be in the description box down below. Now that I've added all of my ingredients into my cake mix, I'm also going to add a splash of vanilla so that we have a little bit more flavor going in. And now that I'm done mixing up the cake mix, I'm going to go ahead and grease my pan and add it into the dish. Now that our cake is ready to go and it's all smoothed out, I'm gonna put it in the oven and just keep my eye on it just to make sure that it cooks all the way. Alrighty you guys, as you can see, our cake is looking nice and golden brown, and the toothpick that just went inside came out nice and clean, so that's how I know that it's ready. So I'm going to set this cake aside and let it rest and cool down, and in the meantime I will be making my milk mixture. So I'm just going to be adding my evaporated milk, my whole milk, and then I'm also going to be adding some sweetened condensed milk, and we're going to give that a nice good mix.
Don't take it personally, I'm surprised you call me after the things I said.
Now that we're done mixing our milk mixture together, we're going to set that aside and put it in the fridge, and then we're going to chop up our freshly washed strawberries that we're going to put on top of the cake later.
I said farewell, took it well, promise I won't cry, what's the milk? Give me a paper towel, give me another bag, give me another hour or two. Why you bothering me when you know you don't want me? Why you bothering me when...
Now that our cake is all the way cooled down, I'm going to just be cutting off the edges around the cake, as you can see here. And now that we're done with that, as you guys can see here, I'm just using a fork to poke some holes into the cake so that when we drizzle our milk mixture, everything goes all the way inside. And that's how we're gonna make sure our cake is nice and moist. So here I am drizzling our sweet cream on top of our cake. I did not use all of the mixture inside. I used about a quarter cup to about half of it, just because I didn't want my tres leches super wet. But You guys can feel free to add more or less or as much as you would like. This was just personally how much I wanted to add. And now we can go in with our Cool Whip and we can go ahead and add our whipped cream all over the cake and just make sure you get a nice even layer on top. To finish up our cake, I'm going in with those strawberries that we cut up earlier, and I'm just placing them nice and neat on top of the cake, along with some blueberries and thyme that I also use to garnish later in the video. And voila, you guys, this is our delicious Tres Leches cake. It looks so beautiful and it tasted super delicious. It's nice and moist and just the perfect balance of sweetness. So I highly recommend that you guys try out this recipe. It's super yummy and I hope you guys like it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!
Sunrise and those brown eyes, yes, you're the one that I desire. When we wake up